Question number 1. Which of the following is qualitative data? A, color, B, pressure, C, temperature, or D, volume? Number 2. Which of the following is quantitative data? A, color, B, odor, C, shape, D, volume. Number 3. A single observation or results we will be observing and variables that responsible for the independent variable is A, independent variable, B, dependent variable, C, control variable, D, control group. The variable that it can be manipulated: A, independent variable, B, dependent variable, C, control variable, D, control group. Number 5, the expected value of density of iron is 7.87 grams centimeters cubed. A student records a mass of 20 centimeters cubed block of iron as 153.8 grams. What is the percentage error of density measured? A, 19.4, B, 7.69, C, 2.29, or D, 2.34. 6. A carbon tetrachlorine has a mass of 39.75 grams and a volume of 25 milliliters. What is the density? A, 159 grams millimeters. B, 993.75 grams per milliliter. C, 0.69 grams per milliliter. And D, 1.27 grams per milliliter. Number 7. Find the mass of 250 milliliters of benzene. The density of benzene is 0.5432 grams per milliliter. A is 0.0035 grams. B is 135.8 grams. C is 285.22 grams. And D is 242.17 grams. Number 8. The two values used, we find percentage error. A, accepted and expected. B, experimental and expected. C, accepted and ideal. D, experimental and accepted. Number 9. What is the percentage error of mass of measurement of 17.7 grams given the accepted value is 21.2 grams? A, 17%. B, 15%. C, 50%, and D, 25%. Number 10, the closest of measurements and the corrected and accepted values of quantities measurement is A, precision, B, experimental, C, accuracy, and D, A and C are correct. Turn the page. Number 11, the accepted value of 2.95, what is the correct description of the student's experiment? A, accurate but not precise. B, precise but not accurate. C, both accurate and precise. And D, neither accurate nor precise. Number 12, the closest of the set of measurement of the same quantity made up of the same way is A, precision, B, experimental, C, accuracy, D, A, and B are correct. Number 13, convert 76 minutes to seconds. A, 4,056 seconds. B, 4,560 seconds. C, 0.456 seconds. And D, 0.4056 seconds. Number 14, convert 2 liters to milliliters. A, 2,000 milliliters. B, 0.002 milliliters. C, 200 milliliters, or D, 0.02 milliliters. Number 15, convert 420 milligrams to kilograms. And number A is 0.042 kilograms. B is 42,000 kilograms. C is 0.042 kilograms. And D is 0.00042 kilograms. Number 16, which of the following are comprised of the other three? A, proton, B, electron, C, atom, or D, neutron. Number 17, which is the correct symbol of an atom with 42 protons and 49 neutrons? A, 4942In, B, 9142MO, C, 9149MO, and D, 9142I. Which of the following, number 18, which of the following number of protons is 5626 Fe? A, 26, B, 30, C, 56, D, 82. Number 19, which element is 14 protons? A, nitrogen, B, silicon, C, aluminum, and D, sulfur. Number 20, the atomic number. A is the number of protons in the nucleus of each atom. B identifies an element. C is the number of neutrons in the nucleus of each atom. And D, both A and B are correct. Turn the page. Number 21. Isotopes occur naturally. B, naturally or can be created. C, isotopes are created in a lab. Or D, none of the above is correct. Number 22. Isotopes are A, an atom of the same element and different masses. B, they have the same number of protons and electrons. C, have the same number of protons and neutrons. Or D, A and B are correct. Number 23. The mass number is A, the number of protons. B, the number of neutrons. C, the number of protons plus neutrons. D, the number of electrons. Number 24. The law of blank states that a chemical reaction involved the reactant of the atom's mass are neither created or destroyed. A, conservation of mass. B, defined proportion. C, multiple proportion. Or D, none of the above correct. The law of blank states that the chemical compounds the same elements is in exactly the same proportion of mass regardless of the size and sample of the source of the compound. A, conservation of mass. B, directly proportion. C, multiple proportion. Or D, none of the above are correct. Number 26. To calculate the molar mass of ZN3PO42, through A, 383 grams. B, 385 grams. C, 353 grams. D, 351 grams. Number 27. Calculate the molar mass of PbClO32. A, 373. B, 337. C, 353. D, 332. Number 28. Dalton's atomic theory states that an atom is indestructible. A, it remains true. B, this is false and the atoms are divided into smaller groups. C, it is yet not proven if Dalton is correct. And D, this is not a part of Dalton's atomic theory. 29. Dalton's atomic theory states that the element is composed of atoms of a single unique type. A, this remains true. B, this has been proven false. C, is not been proven if Dalton is correct. D, this is not part of Dalton's theory, atomic theory. Number 30. Forces of a nucleus is called A, proton-neutron forces. B, nuclear forces. And C, magnetic forces. And D, atomic forces. Turn the page. Number 31. Electrons have negative charges and are located in the nucleus. B, negative charges are located in an electron cloud. C, positive charges are located in the nucleus. D, positive charges are located in an electronic cloud. 32. The nucleus contains both protons and electrons. B, both electrons and neutrons. C, both protons and neutrons. And D, only protons. 33. Covalent bonds are A, polar and bipolar. B, polar and nonpolar. C, dipolar and nonpolar. Or D, just polar. 34. In a covalent bond, electrons are A, shared, B, destroyed, C, transferred, or D, switched. 35. In a polar molecule, the charges are A, the same, B, different, C, there's no charge, D, neutral. 36. In an anion, the atoms have blank charges. A, neutral, B, positive, C, negative, D, positive and negative. 37. Atom bond to A becomes more stable. B, releases energy. C, increases its size. D, to connect. 38. Covalent bonds involve A, nonmetal and nonmetal. B, metal and metal. C, metal and nonmetal. D, metal and non-noble gas. 39. An ion bond involves A, nonmetal and nonmetal. B, metal and metal. C, metal and nonmetal. D, metal and non-noble gas. Number 40. Electron not involved in bonding belongs only to one atom is A, a lone pair. B, shared pair. C, single electron. D, all electrons. 41. Bonds in a Bonding in molecules cannot be represented by a single structure or A, Lewis structure, B, molecular geometry, C, resonance, D, odd atom structure. 42. Using the electromagnetic periodic table, the chart decides if the bond between BO are polar, nonpolar, or ionic. Turn the page. It is A, ionic, B, nonpolar, C, polar, D, polar and nonpolar. 43. Using the electromagnetic periodic table, the chart decides if the bond between NaCl are polar, nonpolar, and ionic. A, ionic, B, nonpolar, C, polar, and D, polar and nonpolar. Turn the page. Number 44. Which of the groups describe these characteristics? Good conductor of heat and electricity, metallic properties, hard and high melting and boiling points, and all are metal. A, alkaline metal. B, transitional metal. C, carbon family. D, halogen. Number 45. Argon, krypton, and xenon are A, alkaline metal. B, halogen. C, alkaline earth metal. D, noble gas. 46. An element is A, a pure substance made up of two chemical bonding atoms. B, a pure substance made up of one single type of atom. C, a chemical compound. Or D, any two atoms covalent bonded. 47. Which is a halogen of period 5? A, strontium Sr. B, bromine Br. C, Ze, xenon, or D, iodine I. 48. Who began working on the periodic table in 1969? A, John Newman. B, Davy Model. C, Demetrius Dalton, or D, John Mendel. 49. Which of the following periodic tables are describing the following characteristics? Do not occur in naturally free elements, low melting point, soft enough to cut with a knife. A, alkaline metal. B, alkaline earth metal. C, halogen. D, transitional metal. Number 50. Which of the following elements are 5 valence electrons? A, boron. B, rhodium. C, vanadium. And D, arsenic. Now this is the first 50.